Hi there guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. In this video I'm sat in a 2018 Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross and I'm going to be showing you how to change the language and units on the car. So for the language, there's a whole host of languages that are available in this car, and for the units we're going to be able to change the temperature from Celsius to Fahrenheit, and also we're going to be able to change the units from litres per 100 kilometers to miles per gallon. So to do this we're going to be using these three buttons here. So first off we're just going to scroll through, so just go all the way through until you see one that says settings. Then we're going to press the middle button and then we're going to scroll back through. First off we've got the language there, so if you hit the middle button you can then scroll through all of the different languages. There's quite a few available here. And then I'm going to stick mine on English still, so I'll just press the middle button and that will just stick that on English, and then go up to the return. And then we're going to scroll up to temperature, press the middle button in, so we've got the Celsius there and Fahrenheit down the bottom, so if I want to change it to Fahrenheit just press the middle button and then back to that return, and that's now updated the temperature down there to Fahrenheit. And then moving up again, we've got the fuel consumption units there, so it's currently at litres per 100 kilometers, but I can go kilometers per litre, miles per gallon US and miles per gallon UK, bearing in mind there's a very minor difference there. So I'm going to go ahead and stick mine just the same on litres per 100 kilometers and then hit return as well. So there we go, that's how easy it is to change the units and the language on a 2018 Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross. If you found that video helpful, please do give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.